today is regarding a very delicious and nutritious food, that is tennelly, or the gooseberry that has been soaked in honey. So, what are the benefits of it? Because it's quite common in South India, especially. But why do we really have it? I really don't know. Apart from it's very tasty.
Yeah, each gooseberry is equivalent to two apples. Such a small stuff. One is it has the taste of astringent, tuvarpu. Then it is very rich in vitamin C and many other components are there.
Right.
So that's why they make it is seasonal during January time, middle of January onwards, January, February, and March. So what they do is they take a lot of amla, that is this gooseberry, and make pickles. You know that.
Yeah.
So it's basically a good source for our vitamin C. So what we have found in our modern science research is body do not produce vitamin C at all.
Right.
So we more so depend for vitamin C from outside, that is from our food intake. So gooseberry is one of the very rich vitamin C component. So it's good for us. And this soaked in honey. So gooseberry is it won't turn into fruit. You know that, right? Gooseberries do not turn into fruit. You know that?
No, I didn't know that, sir.
Didn't know. See, every component which is yielded, they turn into fruit, right?
Right. Yeah. Actually, I didn't ever think of it. I think that it's never a fruit. It's always in a raw form.
Yeah, raw form. It will remain only raw, then it will start shrinking. It will not turn a fruit.
Yeah.
So gooseberry, if you are going to put it in honey, it will not drink the honey.
Okay.
How many weeks you keep it also, it will not drink the honey at all. So what they do is they put gooseberry, they boil it in water.
Okay.
Then it becomes soft. Right? Gooseberry is a hard flesh, right?
Right. It's hard.
It's a very hard flesh. So it cannot soak in honey. So what they do is they boil it. In water, they put it in the sim and boil it. And then drain the water out. It will become slightly larger, and they bring the water out, and then they put it in a mat and dry it for a small period of time, and then they put it in a ceramic bowl, ceramic vessel, where they put a few liters of honey and they put a lot of these gooseberry. Then now it is soft and it will start drinking the honey. The honey starts getting soaked into it. It becomes much larger because it will 40 days they will keep it closed. It will drink the entire honey, but every day they shake it. After 40 days, if you see, no honey will be there. The entire gooseberry has drunk all the honey. And then they take one per day. It is the most delicious, tasty stuff I have ever had in my life, if it is properly made.
Yeah.
You cannot resist having that. One, if you have it, you feel like having 10. But you're not supposed to have it loaded. Only one. You know, if you can have that for about 11 days, continuously, one in the morning in the empty stomach, it is such a phenomenal nutrient. You know, honey is full of sugar molecules, right?
Yeah.
They become transporters. Any sugar molecule becomes a good transporter of components in the body. So these things, this gooseberry soaked in honey becomes a very vital nutrient delicacy in the world. which can give you lot of benefit. There are areas where I know people who do this every year, and they keep it for a longer period of time. Once in 3 months they have it for 11 days. And they keep themselves very healthy with this gooseberry soaked in honey. But it has to be done properly.
Right.
Yeah. But you have to wait for 40 days for it to get completely soaked in honey. Then it gives you innumerable number of health benefit, no doubt whatsoever. And one of the most beautiful, tastiest stuff in the world to eat.
Right.
You will just, it is beyond any Indian sweets. That much I can tell you. But commercially made ones are not good, because the honey used there is all artificial, you know. You don't get original honey these days. If you can get some good original honey, and if you know the methodology to produce it, make it, and if you can make it with your own hands, you know, then it becomes a phenomenal stuff. You can try once doing it.
Definitely.
Yeah. This is the answer
you,
for
sir.
your question. Yeah, thank you.